Hey guys, this is Q with WH Farms. We are your number one source for premium CBD, and we also show individuals how to create income and impact in the CBD industry. And I wanted to make sure that I share with you this phenomenal statistic that Green Entrepreneur shared on his page. More than 1 in 4 North Americans now use cannabis for medical purposes. Why? Because research has shown that the cannabinoids located inside of the cannabis plant have a plethora of wellness benefits that so many can find difficult to deny. First of all, we have to know that the cannabis user is no longer Beavis and Butthead. It's not the thug on the street. It's your doctor, it's your lawyer, it's your clinician, it's individuals who are looking for wellness alternatives that aren't, toxic and addictive. Also, it's important to note that with the advancement of cannabis use, you can consume in more ways than smoking, like tinctures and gummies, which is the reason why you should have a business in this industry.